opening a Forex trading account. Now, this is the most important step to Forex trading, okay? You need to ensure that you're trading with a good broker. When I first started trading Forex, I used to trade with market maker brokers. That was horrible, okay? We don't trade with market maker brokers. We only trade with ECN brokers, okay? So whenever you're looking to open a Forex trading account, always search for an ECN broker. And here we have a very good ECN broker, FX Choice. We have been using this broker for a while now, and their service has been absolutely amazing. Great customer service. There's no issue withdrawing your money. The trade conditions are great, absolutely amazing. We have had no problems with this broker. So very good broker so far, and best of all, they accept US customers. Okay, so if you're a US resident, you can open a Forex trading account with FX Choice, because it is very difficult for US traders to find ECN brokers that accept US clients. Okay, it is extremely difficult to find ECN brokers that accept US clients. So FX Choice is an ECN broker that accepts US clients. They have great reviews, so you can start trading Forex. You can open a live or demo account here.